Bruton. There goes Grab to Lucio, lap number 2 at 29.3. Here's the leader after one Sambo. Everybody from Sam's back on the 2 spot. Next to cross over, that'll be Sticks. Quad Holly right with them. Making an interesting line there. Doing a special game to the start from the gate. Maybe one more with the leader. He's going up. That was the leader that you just heard. Hit the bottom of the A&A washer and spiral. And Frisbee instead of Sparky to the backside of the Regional Series game. So the leader goes down. With a minute to go, Sambo moves up to one spot for track position. And once you lap number 3, he's on the cusp of a 5-lap pace. And once he scores about a second off the next lap, and you get that golden ride around to lap number 5. Quadaholic on to lap number 3. Sticks is working on lap number 3. You're always in the top left-hand corner of the screen. Second is one. Second is seat 4. Third is seat 2 if you're watching our audio stream on the screen. Same going on to lap number 4. He's moved on to that 5-lap pace. There's a 26.4. He crossed over. He had a buffer of about 32 seconds. So there we are. Sambo going to get his 5 in. Last time around, was Net. He's yet to get some numbers to his name. Sambo. And he was going to get a 5. That could work. But look at your best 3. He dropped 2. He just dropped round 1 2. Sambo keep going on to lap number 5. Quadaholic keep going on to lap number 4. And here comes the ding. If you cross over next, you are done. So this is a good one right here. Let's see. There's your leader 3, or Spectrum Dive Gate, working his way around through the elevated hairpin. Sticks are done 3 laps, 1 or 4. 4, so now 27. Sambo, you're done 5 laps, 2:23. That's his first 5. He has that blitz looking at his 4 at 5. Number 2 will break the top 3. And 1 to finish, guys. Here comes Quadaholic. Making over through the eyes of Bobby 2. Our Superior 1 Rufix start finish game. And that'll be 4 laps to 40 for him.